Hello and welcome to another revision session. Now we've done one about reacting mass calculations. This is another one. Before, the last one was about finding out what the mass of something is in the reactants, as in they've told you this and you need to find out that. This one's slightly different. There's two sides. They've told you this, you need to work out the product, or they've told you the product and you have to work out the reactant. Now there is a long-winded way all about moles and things, so those of you who've got the book, that's what that's on about. I'm going to show you a short way. You might have to go through it a few times just to get the hang of it. Now the first bit is the same. Cross out what you don't need, so let's look at the question. What mass of calcium hydroxide, this, is made from 14 kilograms of this? Okay, and calcium hydroxide is used by farmers on their fields to neutralise the acid. So anyway, let's cross that out. Let's get a pen. Right, cross it out. Marvellous. There you go. That's that done. Your calculator's disappeared. Fabulous. Right. So we're just looking at this and this. We first then have to work out the MR of this and the MR of that. So we use the periodic table to do calcium oxide. So I'm going to look up calcium. Let's get rid of my pen. So calcium is the top number, so the mass number is 40 plus oxygen, the top number is 16 equals 56. So we get me pen, right, and I write 56. Now the point here is about using the same unit. It says kilograms, shove it in kilograms, don't be changing anything. Don't do that. Right, there. Right, 56 kilograms. Put your arrow in the same as it is up there. Look there. So we're just putting that's 56 and that's that. Now you look up the MR of that jobber there. So that calcium is 40. Let's get rid of that. 40 plus. Now remember that means 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. So 2 16s. 16 add 16 and 2 hydrogens. Now they're 1 each. So we can add that up in my head. Add 2. So that's 74. Right, 74. So I get my pen. 74 kilograms. Remember to use the same unit. That's beautiful. Right, now you've got the 56 of this makes 74 of that, but you need to work out, well, how much 14 will make. Now they've told you it's this one. How much will 14 of this one make? So what you need to do is make this side equal 1. So whichever one they've given you, that's the one you divide by. So if I divide this by 56, then I have to divide this by 56. That's beautifully written. Now look, that means, if I put that in, that'll be 1, this one, and this one I put it in 74. I had that already. Divided by 56 equals, oh my goodness. So let's do 1.32. So we can say bear with me. 1 kilogram. It's beautiful writing. Equals 1.32? I hope so. 32 kilograms of that. Alright, now I want to know how much 14 kilograms makes. So here's what 1 does. So guess what you do? You times that by 14. Fabulous. So it's 1.32 times by 14. Let's do that. Times 14. Is 18.5, and that is the answer. 18.5 kilograms. Now do watch, my kilograms are badly drawn, actually. It's a small k. Anyway, so 18.5, that is the answer. Do go through it again. That is working out the product. My next one is about working out the reactant, which is exactly the same, really. But there you go. Fabulous. We'll see you in a minute.